Det är riktigt skönt. Hello from Farsta and Lake Magelungen. It is 18th of October 2025 and it's time for a beach adventures with Kris. It is a beautiful sunny day and a bit chilly though, only 8 degrees Celsius in the air, and it's going to be a quick dip today. So I walked to get here to this place. This is just close to the Augusta Bron, the Augusta Bridge, and it is just a normal jetty here that has also ladder to the Lake Magelungen, and it's also very close to Farsta Strandbad in that direction. And yeah, the autumn is here. To get here it took me around 5.5 kilometers by walking, and then it's time to have a nice short swim in the Lake Magelungen. We can see on the other side Farstaneset, and yes, it is beach day 142 of my Sweden beach adventures. The water looks so inviting, and I haven't took a swim in Lake Magelungen for maybe 3 months or so. So I'm really eager to do so. And here it is actually not allowed to dive because there are a few stones inside that it's good to avoid for sure. So let's get going. And let's check the temperature also in the lake over here. So yeah, yesterday it was just 10 degrees at Solerbyhön, so it's going to be interesting to check how cold it is in the water today. So let's see. We have 11 degrees Celsius in the water, so let's see. Yes. Okay, so ready, set, and go! It's amazing. So beautiful. Just 11 degrees Celsius in the air, I mean in the lake, and 8 degrees Celsius in the air. So it's so nice that I'm once again out for beach adventure, and the lake now this time of the year is also a bit warmer than the air. I'm trying to say is. So yeah, greetings from Farsta and yet another beach adventure with Kris, and it's time then for me to get out and get warm inside. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Kris.